Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot, 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 hot? Don't you wish your girlfriend was me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me?
Sa larangan, lansangan, madami kang madadaanan. Dapat din kanan, hindi makapaniwala sa tangi mong kagandahan. Nung una kang
sa performance ng tatlo, yung mananalo ay yung pinaka-best cheer. So gusto ko, since ito na yung last game, support naman kayo kay please introduce yourself. Of Greenwich. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
From Mick Brendan! Mick Brendan! Esmer! Wilka! Ralph B! Thank you so much! Alright, mga kambilya